Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off or disable Windows Defender. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in virus and threat protection. You're going to go here and then you'll be able to see the option of manage settings. Go there and then you'll be able to see real-time protection and dev drive protection. So you're going to simply toggle these buttons off. So this method will give you a temporary fix. In order to get a permanent fix, you're going to go to the search bar and type in run, and then you're going to type in regedit and click on OK. You'll be able to see a window of user account control, so simply click on yes. And then you'll be able to see a registry editor right in front of you. Here, you're going to click on HKey local machine, simply click on expand, and then you're going to expand the software one. Here, you're going to scroll down till you find the P section and you're going to expand the policies. And then you're going to expand Microsoft and search for Windows Defender. Right over here, you're going to right click on Windows Defender and click on new. And then click on DWORD 32-bit value. Here, you're going to type in disable anti-spyware and click enter. After that, you're going to right click on it and click on modify. You'll be able to see the value data set to 0. You're going to change it to 1. Click on OK and then restart your PC. And that's it. That's how you can turn off or disable Windows Defender. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.